Hi, myself Nupur. I'm a second year interior design student. Let's have a look. What does a day of interior design students look like? Hi. Hi Maha. Could you let us know how VR is going to help us in interior design?
So VR plays a crucial amount of role in our lives because we understand how the spaces work and how we can design that space and how it will look in real life. So it's quite interesting for us to work on VR. So we create our project and then we use VR to visualize the space and see how it will look when it's implemented.
Oh, that's great. And I see that this is your recent project you worked on, right?
Yeah.
That's great.
Thank you.
Hi Jessica.
Hi.
How's your day going so far? What are you working on?
My day is going great. I'm currently working on my AutoCAD DXF file for my laser cut model.
Ooh, laser cut. What's that and how do you work on?
So for this project, even though we're in first year, we've been given the opportunity to work on laser cutting machines for our model, and this helps us to create proper, precise models that are very neat and give kind of the feeling that we're making like our actual project come to life.
Oh.
And it's a very cool experience because we get to learn and work with a lot of different software such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, InDesign, and we're able to explore and be more creative with our designs.
Oh, so is that the model that you guys made?
Yeah, it is.
That's great. Could you let us know how is everything, what did you do and how was the site visit?
Oh, it was really good. We visited, we're working on containers these days. We visited Box Park yesterday and it was really fun, kind of hot, but it was good.
That's nice.
But it really helped with deciding the materials and spatial planning, and we had the industry expert that visited from Wheels Ahoy, and he gave us a really good details,
Explanation and all that.
Yeah.
That's nice. And I see your project's pretty interesting as well.
I'm so confused. I
No, it's fine. Don't
going.
overthink.
I'm,
It's very good.
Scared. The submission is 2 days later, and this is draft. I have to fix it.
It's fine. You're gonna kill it. Best of luck.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. So let's have a talk with a second year interior design student. Hi Shaika.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
So you're working on digital designing and how's it going?
Amazing. Actually, I love this. It's really quick and fun to work with.
Okay, so have you been using iPad throughout the year, even in first year, right? I believe.
Yeah, absolutely.
And how does it help you?
It's just very compact. It's an easy to carry device. It helps me iterate my ideas better and quicker.
That's nice. That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.